Hi, I'm Justine, and this is Christine. Today we're here to talk to you about the top digital marketing trends of 2020. With that in mind, we know there's a lot of digital marketing trends out there, so we're going to hit the top 5 trends that your business should implement in your marketing plan for 2020. I'm going to start us off with the first trend, which is personalization. So the personalization for me, I think, is the most important trend that will not only help make sales, but build relationships, convert leads, and even build brand awareness. So personalized marketing is about creating customized content for your buyer persona to help build stronger relationships based on your customers' needs, interests, and position of their buyer journey. Accumulating data such as location-based media, links clicked, purchase history, and their audience needs and wants will help you create strong customized content. So start by implementing personalization into your email marketing plan by using email automation. So you can do that through drip campaigns or time-based email automation. To learn more about that, you can check out our email automation buzzword breakdown blog below.
The second trend I'm going to talk about is ABM, and that's account-based marketing, which is a big B2B marketing trend that we're seeing right now and going to be even expanded in 2020. So ABM focuses on identifying specific accounts and companies that you want to target your services and solutions to. You'll create content and ads and sales strategy that's very specific to those accounts that solves their challenges and solutions. So this really builds on what Justine was just talking about, personalization. You're building personalized content, ads for those specific companies so that you can really target the people within those companies and sell your services and solutions. The one way we've really seen companies take advantage of ABM is through LinkedIn. So you can connect with the people in those accounts and send them messages, which I'm sure you've received in your own LinkedIn, but it's actually a very successful way to connect with a person within a company. So the third trend we're going to get into is video. And of course, video isn't new, but it's really getting real in 2020. Did you know that 70% of B2B buyers research their potential purchases by watching videos?
I didn't, but that's a lot of people.
Right? That's a pretty crazy statistic. So it's really important when you're thinking about your content for 2020 of how you can appeal to those people who want to experience your product or your service through video. How can you create a video that helps educate them or show them what they would be buying, right? Another really interesting thing about video is Google is actually ranking video content higher than text content in Google search. So when you're creating these videos and you're posting them on YouTube or Vimeo or a different platform, make sure that you're really thinking about the keywords that you should be using within those descriptions on YouTube. One of the things that we've done is created longer posts for our description because it helps Google really identify what that video is about and help pull that out in those Google search and optimize your content.
Mm-hmm. The fourth digital marketing trend is influencer marketing. And that is an individual with an online presence who has potential to influence the opinions and behaviors of your target audience. So I may say influencer marketing, you may think Hailey Bieber, Kendall Jenner, and you are right, but they work for bigger brands that are really well known. But for a small business, being able to find a micro influencer or even a blogger that has an audience who already trusts them and is perfect for your target audience might be the perfect match for you. So start by creating a plan, building a relationship with this person, and start converting leads.
Yeah, I think that's great advice because I've talked to small businesses before that think influencer marketing is only for giant companies. Yeah. So it's really good to know that there are those influencers out there that could fit well with your small business. Yeah. The last trend we're going to be talking about today is voice-powered search. One of the terms you're probably going to hear a lot in 2020 is VSO, which is voice search optimization. So as more people buy Alexas and Google Homes, you need to optimize your content for that voice query. So it's not just about ranking for queries that people are typing into Google, it's also now ranking for queries that people are speaking to these voice assistants. So as you start to think about your content for 2020, don't forget to include those snippets that answer questions very clearly so that the voice-powered assistants can pull that content. So one way to do this is to have an FAQ section on your site about your product or your service, but also think about in your blogs about posing a question and clearly answering that question right afterwards. So that helps the voice assistants know that you're answering that specific question in that content.
Mm-hmm. So we hope these digital marketing trends can inspire you in your 2020 marketing plans. So that's a wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions about digital marketing trends, leave a question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment in the comments section. Until next time, see ya.
See ya, thanks.